Principles, Life and Work by Ray Dalio is a guide to success. Drawing from Dalio's experiences as the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds. The book is divided into 3 parts: his personal story, life principles, and work principles. Here's a summary of the key concepts. 1. The importance of principles. Dalio believes that principles are essential truths that guide actions and decisions. These principles help individuals achieve their goals and navigate challenges. He encourages readers to develop their own principles based on their values and experiences. 2. Embrace reality and deal with it. One of Dalio's key principles is to face reality head-on, no matter how difficult. He argues that accepting the truth and dealing with it directly leads to better decision-making and problem-solving. Ignoring reality, on the other hand, only leads to failure. 3. Radical transparency and open-mindedness. Dalio advocates for radical transparency and open-mindedness in both personal and professional environments. He believes in sharing thoughts and feedback openly to improve decision-making and build stronger relationships. At Bridgewater, this culture of transparency allows for open discussions and challenges to ideas. 4. The 5-step process for achieving goals. Dalio outlines a 5-step process that can be applied to achieve any goal. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you want. Identify problems. Recognize the obstacles that stand in your way. Diagnose problems. Understand the root causes of these problems. Design a plan. Create a detailed plan to overcome the obstacles. Execute the plan. Implement the plan with discipline and persistence. This process is iterative, meaning you continuously refine your approach based on what you learn. 5. Pain plus reflection equals progress. Dalio believes that experiencing pain and reflecting on it is a powerful way to grow. He argues that failure is an opportunity to learn and improve. By understanding what went wrong and how to avoid similar mistakes in the future, you can progress more effectively. 6. Decision-making. Dalio emphasizes the importance of sound decision-making, which involves balancing logic, data, and intuition. He introduces the concept of believability-weighted decision-making, where decisions are influenced by the opinions of those with proven expertise. This approach minimizes biases and improves the likelihood of success. 7. Meritocracy and idea meritocracy. In his work principles, Dalio promotes the concept of meritocracy, where decisions and evaluations are based on merit rather than hierarchy. In an idea meritocracy, the best ideas win out, regardless of who presents them. This fosters an environment where innovation and progress are encouraged. Principles, Life and Work offers valuable insights into how to navigate life's challenges and achieve success by adhering to clear, well-thought-out principles. Dalio's approach emphasizes the importance of honesty, reflection, and continuous learning, both in personal life and in the workplace.